One of my favorite food in China is noodles. I love noodles. Give me one idea. How about we make noodles today? But not real ones like this, of course. We're gonna paint and make noodles. Let me show you how. Today we need 2 chopsticks, Play-Doh, 1 bowl for the noodles, red paper, green paper, and some background paper. Let's start. I'll start off with the bowl. I need to make it look like Chinese bowl so it looks pretty. So let's decorate it a little bit. I think this is enough for my bowl, right? Let's go on with the vegetables. First, I will make some lettuce. And red one for the tomato. Okay, lettuce and tomato are done. Let's put them aside here. Next step. Place the bowl on the background paper. Let's use some glue for that. You can also glue the lettuce and the tomato here. I'm gonna make an egg now. Then I'll take the white Play-Doh. I'm going to put it in yellow. That looks yummy, right? One thing is missing. Most important one, the noodles. Let's make the noodles now. Okay, the dough for the noodles looks right. But first, let's put the chopsticks here. think that's enough. What do you think?
Does it look yummy?
Yes. Let me show you two more ideas how to do this. Take a look at this. This bowl looks beautiful. Or maybe something like this. How about this one here? When you finish, you can frame it and you can pretend that you're having lunch. Have fun with this one.